Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. Today we'll be making cabbage and corned beef balls. If you'd like to see me do this, then follow me. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. My family loves corned beef and cabbage, but today I'm going to do it in a way that you'll enjoy it also, and you don't have to use a lot. I bought cabbage, I used only half, and half tin of corned beef, and trust me, this meal was delicious, and I'd like to share it with you. It is economical and also easy to prepare. Now to make our cabbage balls, we need some cornstarch. Then we need rice flour or semolina, not flour, just rice or semolina. An egg, cabbage of course, tomato, onion, bell peppers, a piece of spring onion, and then corned beef. Now if you can get the low sodium corned beef, that would be great. For my family, I only need half of the cabbage, so I'm going to cut it right now. Just half. Now I'm going to clean it up as usual and then give it a wash. So taking off the old skin or leaves and then get ready to wash. It's all washed, I'm going to shred it. Now I want it very finely shred, so you can use a knife, a very sharp knife if you want. This is how small I want it. Or you can use a grater, you know, the four-sided grater. Now I'm going to continue shredding and I'll come back when I'm through. That's all shredded. Now I'm about to season it and get it cooked quickly, and I'm going to use the microwave for it. Just for 6 minutes in the microwave. So I'm adding about half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon. Then I'm going to add a little garlic granules, just a little, and I'm going to mix it just as you would with meat. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 6 minutes. Why? I don't want water. I don't want it to be wet. I want it to be dry. While that is cooking, I'm going to prepare the vegetables. I've removed the seeds from the tomato because I want it to be dry. I don't want any much liquid, and the seeds bring a lot of liquid. It's all finished. Now it's half cooked and it's dry. There's no liquid in it. So I'm going to allow it to cool because I need it to be cooled when I'm ready to make the balls. Now I'm going over to the stove to fry off the vegetables. Added 2 tablespoons of oil and it's time to fry. What we're trying to do is get rid of any water in the vegetables, so we're frying it for a while. So while this is frying, we're going over to the corned beef. Season our corned beef, half teaspoon of black pepper, the same amount for garlic powder, garlic granules, not powder, powder as a salt. Now I'm going to use my scissors to cut some scallion or spring onions. if you have the low sodium corned beef, you can season with other seasoning, but this one is salty, so we don't need anything with salt. So I'm just using granules and black pepper. Don't need a lot of seasoning anyway. Let's crush everything together. Few more minutes. Removing all the water. Now you may use egg substitute if you don't want egg. Whatever you can substitute the egg for, like some almond milk. Now this is good enough. I'm going to turn the stove off and I'm going to remove some from the pan. Removing some. I'm removing more than half of it for the cabbage balls and I'm allowing it to cool. Now it's time to combine all the ingredients. Give it a quick mix. Now you may season your cabbage now if you want to add a little more seasoning. Fine. Now I'm going to add the egg. And to this, I'm going to add some cornstarch, a tablespoon of cornstarch, then a quarter cup of rice flour. Now you may use semolina, and if you don't have rice flour, get some rice, put it in a grinder and grind it. We wouldn't want to use flour because flour would make it doughy or dumplingy, and you don't want that. You want to taste the cabbage and not a dumpling. And a bit of paprika for color, just a bit. Alright, now we'll combine again. Incorporate everything. Now it's coming together. You're getting a patty consistency. Go to the stove and finish this dish. Now we start off by making it flat in our hand. Then what I do, I add the corned beef in the middle. Like this. You can mix them together, but I don't want that. I want to taste the corned beef. And if I do it the other way, it will be lost. And we just turn it into a patty like this. There we go. Now while that is frying, we're going to make a gravy. So the little corned beef that we had left, we're going to fry it along with the vegetable that we had in the pot. Now we add a little ketchup and allow it to fry for a little while. Okay, that's enough. Allow it to fry. Stir. Yeah. Yeah, good. Stir another one. Remember, fry it on medium, not high, because you don't want it to burn. And you want the corned beef in the middle to be cooked. This is the last one, so. Alright, we fried ketchup, and now it's time to add some water. I've just added half a cup of water and allowing it to cook. Now I'm going to add some seasoning to this. So when this is done, I put it in. Let's check the other side. Yep. So it's time to come out now. So we're going to just add a little bit of herb in the gravy. I've added a little soy sauce to mine and Italian herb. And I'm going to add some oregano, stir it, and then put the cabbage balls in. Now it's time to remove them from the pan. Careful, you notice I'm using a spoon. We don't want to stick them. Right there. Remember, this is already cooked. You don't want it to be boiling now. Cover it for about 2 minutes and then the cabbage ball is done. Now if you have gravy, any leftover gravy or gravy helper, you can put it, you can use it also to make a gravy for this. And now I'm just covering it with some of this gravy. I don't want it to break. And then we're ready for serving. Cover it 1 more minute and then your meal will be done. All done, ready for serving. Still intact. Look at this, guys. Look how moist. I'm opening it now. You can see the corned beef in the middle. So you have the taste of the corned beef and the cabbage. And it is so yummy. This was served with yam salad, steamed broccoli, and some fresh tomatoes. Beautiful corned beef and cabbage, guys. A spin on a Jamaican classic. Enjoy. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.